Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to talk about hiccups, its symptoms, causes, and natural and Ayurvedic remedy to get rid of it. Hiccups are repetitive and uncontrollable contraction of the diaphragm muscle. The diaphragm is the muscle just below the lungs. It marks the boundary between the chest and abdomen. The use of diaphragm is to regulate the breathing process. When diaphragm contracts, lungs will take the oxygen in, and when diaphragm relaxes, lungs releases carbon dioxide. The diaphragm contracting out of rhythm causes hiccups. Each spasm of diaphragm makes the larynx and vocal cord close suddenly. This results in a sudden rush of air into the lungs. The body reacts with gasp or chirp, creating the sound characteristic of hiccups. The medical term used for hiccups is singultus, which comes from Latin word for gasp or chirp. It is not very difficult to identify the hiccups. A sudden and forceful movement of diaphragm that causes hiccup sound is the only symptom of hiccups. It is not clear why people get hiccups. There are several reasons of hiccups that might happen, which includes low level of carbon dioxide in blood and irritated nerves. The phrenic nerve, which connects the neck to the diaphragm, and vagus nerve, which connects the brain to the stomach, are important parts of the breathing process. There are several causes of mild hiccups that go away in a short time, which includes eating and drinking too quickly, drink carbonated beverages or alcohol, eating too much, experiencing stress including fear and excitement, overstretching of neck, taking drugs particularly for anxiety like benzodiazepines, drink very hot and very cold drink during chemotherapy, anesthetized for a procedure, or inhaling toxic fumes. Now let us talk about the natural and Ayurvedic remedy to get rid of the problem of hiccups. You need 4 ingredients to prepare the remedy. The first ingredient is juice of 1 lemon. The second ingredient is 1 teaspoon of honey. The third ingredient is black salt powder as per your taste. And fourth ingredient is 50 ml of hot water. The images of the ingredients is right on your screen, and you can also check the description for other names of the ingredients. To prepare the remedy, mix the lemon juice, honey and black salt powder into hot water. Then drink it slowly, sip by sip. Your hiccups will be stopped immediately within 3 to 5 minutes of consuming this remedy. If this remedy will not work for you and your hiccups will not stop after using this remedy several times, then you must contact your doctor immediately. You might have some serious health issue which cannot be treated without proper medication. Alright guys, hope you like the remedy. Please share it with your friends and don't forget to share the experience of using this remedy in comment section. And for more natural and Ayurvedic remedies, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further videos.